Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Cadenza and Toyota Camry. We'll dive into a full comparison of these two popular sedans, examining what makes each unique. We'll look at their engines, fuel efficiency, and how they feel to drive. Then, we'll step inside to compare their cabins, technology, and comfort. Finally, we'll discuss their value, including pricing and warranty, to help you decide which car is the better fit for your lifestyle. When it comes to power, the Kia Cadenza typically comes with a robust 3.3-liter V6 engine, delivering a strong 290 horsepower. This provides a confident and smooth acceleration. The Toyota Camry, in its latest iterations, focuses on efficiency with a 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain, offering up to 232 horsepower. This hybrid setup allows the Camry to achieve an impressive 51 combined miles per gallon, significantly more efficient than the Cadenza's 23 combined miles per gallon. Stepping inside, both sedans offer comfortable and well-appointed interiors. The Kia Cadenza provides a spacious cabin with 107.8 cubic feet of passenger volume, giving occupants ample room. It also boasts a generous 16.0 cubic feet of trunk space. The Toyota Camry, while slightly smaller, still offers a comfortable 100.4 cubic feet of passenger volume and a practical 15.1 cubic feet of trunk space. Both vehicles are equipped with modern infotainment and safety features for an enjoyable ride. Considering value, the Kia Cadenza, when new, typically ranged from $33,000 to $44,000, offering a premium experience for its price. The Toyota Camry generally starts around $29,000 to $36,000, making it a strong contender for value. Kia stands out with an impressive 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Toyota offers a solid 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Both vehicles are known for good reliability, with the Camry holding a slight edge in overall reliability ratings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.